Are you on a weight loss journey but love pizza? This is one of my favorite pizza that I've been eating to lose weight. This pizza, from the crust to everything on it, is healthy. I believe you will not want to miss anything here, so stay tuned. So let's make this pizza. These are the ingredients you are going to need: bell peppers, sliced mushrooms, salt, tomato sauce and tomato paste, cheese, and spinach wrap. First, I will start by cutting all the bell peppers, the green, red, and yellow. I did cut out what I will need for this pizza, so I'm not going to use the whole. So I cut all of them out, and I'm chopping it in little sizes so that we can use it to decorate our pizza. I've heard somebody say that we actually eat with our eyes before the actual food. So at the end of this video, you're going to see how beautiful putting all these different colors of bell peppers on top of your pizza. I'm sure you're not going to miss that, so keep watching. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts below in the comments below. Let me know if you're going to make this pizza for yourself, because it is very, very healthy and it is yummy as well. So I'm done cutting my veggies. This is how it looks. So beautiful. So the next thing I'm going to do is to shred my cheese. And for my cheese, I'm going to use half of it. I don't need a lot, so half is fine. And if you want a full, block of this cheese, you can put it. But for me, since I'm on a weight loss journey, I don't eat all that cheese, so half is fine. And the reason I use cheese is because it will help the veggies that I put on top to stick together. So that is really what I need it for, not for it to look cheesy like cheese pizza. So I'm fine with the half block of cheese. And I use organic cheese as well. And one thing I was told about cheese is that the block cheese is actually more healthier than the shredded cheese that you buy, already made at the store. So I recommend buying block cheese. So I'm done with my cheese. We are almost done with the prepping. What I'm going to do next is to open the tomato sauce and the tomato paste, basically the canned tomatoes. But before then, I will sprinkle salt on my veggies. The purpose is for it to be, be sweet, have a little taste when you eat it, not, bare or plain. So I sprinkle salt on the mushrooms and the bell peppers and make sure I incorporate it so that everything will be well incorporated. Then I start opening my tin tomatoes, both the tomato sauce and the tomato paste. I hope you like the video. Please give me a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. So my can opener is not working very well. That's why you see it when I open it, the upper part is torn. It's because of my can opener. Alright, let's make our pizza sauce. First, you put the tomato sauce and also the tomato paste to thicken it up. So you use your discretion depending on how much you need it. Just make it thick to the consistency that you want. My tomato sauce has basil, garlic, and oregano, and my paste as well. So I will not need so much. All I will just do is to add salt to it. But if your tin tomatoes don't have all those ingredients in it, you can just add thyme, curry, and whatever you have to mix it all up. So that's how I make my pizza sauce. The next thing is to bring the pizza pan and let's put everything together. So what I have with me is my spinach wrap. So I'm gonna take 2 of those, put it on my pan, 1, 2, you can see that. And then I'll put the cheese on one, then put the other one on top of it. The purpose is that to make it thick. You can do more than that, but I'm fine with doing it on only 2. Then I will now spread my pizza sauce on it. Also, when you put it in the oven, the heat will melt the cheese, making the 2 spinach wrap to become 1. So you see that I took what I will need for this particular pizza, and it was just right for it. And after that, I now put my cheese on it. Make sure I spread it evenly on the pizza. Then after that, I will just put in my veggies, my bell peppers and my mushrooms, and I'll just throw everything in there. No order, it doesn't have to be orderly. I'm just throwing everything in there, but I make sure my mushroom are facing up just to make it pretty, because we eat with our eyes. Don't you think so? Let me know in the comments if you eat with your eyes. I mean, you decorate your food beautifully and you like it in your plate when it is done. Personally, I love the colors. You can put any vegetable of your choice. If you like to eat onions, you can cut some onions and put it on top. For me, this is okay for me, and I'm gonna fill up my pizza with as much vegetable as I want, because it makes my mouth to be full of goodness, full of crunchiness. Most importantly, so healthy, good for weight loss, good for vegan diet, good for blood pressure, everything. Just look at this pizza. So right now I turn on my oven to 350 degrees. I'm gonna put this for 10 to 12 minutes. I don't want to lose the crunchiness, and after 12 minutes it was done. Turn off my oven and look at this baby. Look at this. This is done. All the nutrients are intact. So pretty for looking at it and also for eating. I mean, who doesn't want to eat this? This is good. So you don't have to cook it for a long time, because they are vegetables. Even from the crust, you don't need to cook it for that long. So let's cut the pizza. If this is not the healthiest pizza on the planet, I don't know what it is. Look at the crunchiness. Look at all that goodness. This is definitely the healthiest pizza ever. So I'm taking what I will eat. So I will make you to hear how crunchy and how enjoyable this pizza is. But the truth is that my kids were around, so it's noisy, a lot of it. So good. Did you hear that? You can't beat that. Thanks for watching.